What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jani from the SC Event Group. In this video, I'm dropping wedding tips for new DJs. So if you're a DJ entering the wedding space, this video is for you. I think it is super important that if you're a DJ working in this industry and you are about to start a milestone moment, whether it's the couple cutting their cake or starting the introductions, that you make sure that everyone that is important to that couple is in the room before you start the overall moment that you are trying to get started. Whether it's cutting the cake, you wanna make sure the parents are in the room. Whether it's giving a toast, you wanna make sure the best man or the best woman or the maid of honor or matron of honor are in the room. Before you start the milestone moment, you wanna make sure that you can put your eyes on the people and they are in the room. And even more points if you can go up to them and let them know that you're about to start that moment so they're not blindsided. If you like this tip and you'd like to see more, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and be on the lookout for more tips dropping right here on this channel in the days, weeks, and the months ahead. Thanks for watching.